Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Finding Ferdinand mini lipstick in Au Natural. So basically the brand is Finding Ferdinand, and it's a mini lipstick that is 0.04 ounces. It's a soft nude lip color that has just a hint of pink for effortless look, and Au Natural works as well as a base layer for vibrant colors, so bright purples, blues, purple, greens, reds, anything like that. It kind of is a neutral color that you can build upon. I did a little research about the company, and they say at Finding Ferdinand they believe that beauty is unique, and to each and every person. They provide high quality customizable products, which I was going to get into. Customizable products that allow customers to define their own aesthetic. Founded in 2013 and headquartered in New York, Finding Ferdinand is leading the way in personalized cosmetics. So basically, you can go to their website and customize your own lipstick color, which is pretty amazing. You can end up with anything you want. You can make exactly what you want. And a little bit behind the story of that, the woman who created the company was named, her name is New, and she founded it in 2013 from her tiny New York apartment, and spent the initial years creating custom lip colors at pop-up shops around the city. Interacting with customers and listening to their beauty needs helped me set the foundation for what you see today. The initial idea transformed into a new goal to create a brand that puts customers first and provide a platform where beauty lovers can define their own aesthetics. What we started was a one-person company has now grown into a full team that is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service, creating innovative products, and using the highest quality ingredients. So, and it says that from the founder, you'll occasionally see an email from me following up on the order to make sure that you're 100% satisfied with your purchase. Now, what's amazing about this is that it's not cost prohibitive. It's really not that expensive. You can make a customized mini lipstick for $6 or a full size for $30. I think that's a really amazing thing. It's something I've never thought of. I received this Finding Ferdinand in Au Natural. Like I said, it can be used as a base, or it's a nice pink. I think it's a pretty pink. It also can be used as a nice base for any other color. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, I love the texture of the lipstick. It's nice and creamy. The color is really pretty. And I love the idea that you can customize through their site, make your own custom lipstick. So that's a pretty amazing thing to do. But this one in particular I really like. It's something you can wear day to day. You can wear it, with anything. Nude pretty much goes with anything, so it's a great nude. Like I said, it's a nice product, and then they have it available to be customized. So that's a really, I think, revolutionary thing in lipstick. Yeah, I really enjoy this, and something I'll be wearing a lot in the future and probably run out of and have to get more. So I highly recommend it. I would give this a 5 stars out of 5 stars, but you don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself and see if you like it, and I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much, and yeah, check out Finding Ferdinand lipstick in Au Natural, so give it a try. Thanks so much.